Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you, we have the Acer Swift laptop, and this is an Core i5. So first of all, I'm going to show you, I've just installed Windows. So in case you have any PC that is slowing down, but in my case here, I want to show you how to make your PC run fast. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and you put in this temp and percent, then the percentage sign here, then you click OK. So this will take us somewhere here. So you can see all these folders. They're temporary files. So we have another one. So what you do here, you're going to go ahead and select all of them. I hope you can see clearly. So you go ahead and delete all these files, but you can check their property first. So you're in Windows 11 and this would work on Windows 10 and other versions. So in my case here, I'm going to go ahead and I wanted to see the properties. Then, so this is, in your case, it would be different. In my case, I have 100 because I just installed the Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. I'm going to click Shift Delete. This will take to delete and it won't go to the recycle bin. So another thing, you can say escape, don't show any escape. So in this folder for temporary files, so when the computer runs, the files go there. So there's another one. This one. Plus you do the same command. And when you reach here, you'll find very many other files here. If I go to properties, still they are very little, and these things can slow down the computer. So we are going to delete all this, and this is something you can always do to speed up your computer. So another tip that I can do, apart from the other commands, you can go ahead and in case you have another drive here, you can go ahead and go to its properties, then you go to tools, you can go to optimize. Then when you do this, you go analyze first, then you analyze. So after running the test, then you say optimize. This will put everything. If you're having a disk that runs, if it is not SSD, if you're having an SSD drive, you don't need to do this. So after here, they're showing us you have 5% fragmented files. So here you can say optimize, then can close, can even do other things. So when you reach here, you're good to go in the process of making your PC. I'm going to minimize this first. So if you want to make your PC fast, in our case you have the Acer Swift laptop, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, please like, and also join my membership so that I can show you more that I can offer in my membership. So another thing, comment for help. Have a nice time. Goodbye.